This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Battery replacement. The battery is located under the front passenger's seat. Unclip and remove the passenger's seat cushion. Lift back the rubber insulation material to expose the battery cover and clip. Release the cover retaining clip and slide the battery cover forwards from over the battery compartment. In order to prevent the anti-theft alarm from sounding and the vehicle being immobilised, turn the ignition switch to position 2, then to position 0. Remove the ignition key and disconnect the battery negative lead within 17 seconds. Remove the red plastic cover where fitted. Then slacken the nut and disconnect the battery positive lead clamp. Prise out the breather pipe, then remove the toolkit by the side of the battery. Slacken the bolts and remove the 2 battery securing clamps. Unscrew and remove the wheel chock. Then lift the battery out from its position in the compartment. Fit the replacement battery into position in the compartment. Then refit both battery securing clamps and screw them into position. Remember to refit the wheel chock and secure it to the compartment and place the toolkit back into its storage position. Then refit the breather pipe to the battery. Always connect the positive terminal clamp first. After connecting, it's a good idea to apply a layer of petroleum jelly to the terminals to prevent corrosion. Replace the red plastic terminal cover, if fitted, to the positive terminal. Once the positive terminal clamp has been refitted, the negative battery terminal clamp can be fitted too. Apply petroleum jelly to the terminal once it has been secured. Refit the battery compartment cover, securing it with the clip, followed by the rubber mat and seat cushion.